Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to save an existing campaign as a template in MailerLite, one of the most underused features in the platform, and one that can save you a serious amount of time every single month. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Now, if you've ever spent hours building a beautiful email, getting the layout just right, nailing the font sizes, perfecting your branding, you know how frustrating it is to start from scratch the next time. That's exactly what templates solve. Instead of rebuilding your best work, you save it once and reuse it forever. To get started, you need a campaign already open in the MailerLite email editor. If you're not there yet, head to the Campaigns tab from your dashboard, find the campaign you want to save, and open it for editing. Make sure you're inside the email editor itself, not just the campaign settings page. Once you're inside the editor, look up to the top bar. You'll see a button labeled Actions. It's usually positioned toward the right side of that navigation area. Click it and a small drop-down menu will appear with a handful of options. From that menu, select Save as Template. MailerLite will immediately prompt you to give your template a name. This is worth a moment of thought. Choose something descriptive and specific like monthly newsletter layout or product launch email so you can actually find it later without guessing. Once you confirm the name, the template is saved instantly. From now on, whenever you start a new campaign and reach the email design step, just browse to the My Templates section of the template library. Your saved design will be right there, ready to go. All your blocks, spacing, branding, and structure come with it. You just swap in the new content and you're done in a fraction of the time. One quick tip. If you ever update your email design and want to keep your template current, just repeat the same process and overwrite it, or save it under a new version name if you'd rather keep both. And that's all there is to it. You've now saved an existing MailerLite campaign as a reusable template, and every future campaign you build can start from your best work rather than a blank page. Drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. I read every one. See you in the next video.